Hi everybody, Philip here, John L. Scott. Guess what? We have another beautiful house coming, and guess where I'm at? I'm right in the heart of Seward Park in Seattle. Very, very rare find here. This house was built in 2012, total custom. The thing that's really cool about this house, got a cool downstairs floor area, got an open patio, fireplace out back, yard space, really nice thing. Also, what's really cool about this one that you're gonna love, rooftop deck. Now, how many times are you going to find that around here? Rooftop deck that you can see the Olympics, you can see the Cascades, you can see the lake, you can see the mountains, you can see everything. So cool, so private, very cool at night, very cool during the day. It's got a wet bar upstairs, it's got a refrigerator, so if you guys want to sit outside, chill with your friends, very cool. The other thing that's cool is it's actually got a yard, so if you got a pet, you got a yard. This one's been professionally landscaped and maintained. You know what? Check this out. Cool fence, cool gate. Instead of me talking about this house, how about if we just come inside and take a look?